welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever, okay? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for deciding to start a little baby, okay? And as long as you're here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, staying, and being a part of the familia, okay? On this channel, I am debt-free, and we do debt-free living, debt-free budgeting, which is just as how you budgeting on your debt journey right now, except we ain't got no debt, baby. Get into it, right? So, just looking forward to prosperity, living our life the best way ever. Now, as you guys can see, we are going to be exchanging out some bills, okay? I got me here $750. Let me count it up for y'all real quick. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $750. So I have $750 in $150 bills, and I thought it would be great, to exchange out these little coins for some big dollars, okay? That's what we doing. So these are my sinking funds binder, and we're gonna start off with the big boy, okay? She the one that, she is our fixed sinking funds, the ones that always get stuff every paycheck, okay? Point blank period. You ain't gonna place this. They gonna get stuff every pay period. So we're gonna start off with them. So first, we're gonna start off with home. So home right now, let's see, it might be just this one that takes all of it. So home right now, let's see, so we can exchange a $50 bill, 2 50s for 100. So let's do that. And then we can exchange 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, another 100 with these bills. Let me push these up a little bit so we can get those in there. And then that's 50. And then this is $20. So I'm going to exchange a 20 for these 4 5s. So, ooh, I did not think we were gonna get here this fast, but apparently we are. So now home, which had a total of $671, let's verify, still has a total of $671. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 571. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 571. Okay, guys, so I think I may have put an extra $100 in there. Let's verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. That is 7. See, off the rip, I knew already. This is 7. Yep. So I'm gonna take this bad boy. It's supposed to be. Wait, hold up now. 671. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 555, 75, 71. So this makes 671. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 671. Okay, cool. Y'all, we made a first mistake off the first envelope. Lord, child. Hopefully we can get through this, because apparently I be doing the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're just verifying that we have the right amount. This is supposed to be 750. 550, 6, 650. Okay, 650, 670, 690, 710. Okay, 710, 720, 730. And then 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so this is still 750. Let me fix these now that I am done counting and verifying. So these are correct. Little baby, off the first one we messed up. Like, who does that? Me, myself, and I. Apparently the trio is not doing so well. They are not. Okay, so home is back to where it needs to be, and now fully big bills, baby. Now next is travel, which she might be taking up the cash too. So let's see, you guys know I'm almost at $1,000 in travel. So travel has $970. So let's calculate it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 700 right here. So we have 750, 859, 920, 940, 960, 65, 70. So this has a 970 in there. And so we saw we had $200 we can change out for. We had 450s. I mean, my bad. We have 450s we can change out for 2 $100 bills. So I'm gonna put that there and take 2 of these, just to make sure y'all in frame. Okay, y'all in frame. So that now becomes 900. I got 60. So I'm gonna put the 2 20s here. Actually, I'm gonna put the 3 20s here. I'm gonna take up a $50 bill, and I'm gonna take up a $10 bill. Ooh, nope. I'm gonna put back down to 10. Put these 2 5s back here and take up a 20. Boom. So now this should be 970 in big bills. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 950, 970. So bet travel is now 970 in big bills. We love to see it. Love to see it. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So now it's car insurance. So car insurance, according to the card, car insurance now has a total of $390. Not car insurance, car maintenance. Gosh. But car insurance has a total of $390, which, yes, I'm here for it. So let's verify. So this is 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So 395 is right. So off the rip, we can change these 2 $50 bills to a $100 bill. And then I'm pretty sure, yep, these 5 20s, we can get another $100 bill out of here. And then we can do, what is it we can do? This is 2 20s and 4 5s. So we can do 2 $20 bills. So this is 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I'm gonna put these with the 10s and the 5s. And we're gonna do 2 $20 bills. Bet. There we go. Let me fix everything back up together. Get it together because they doing a whole lot of y'all. A whole lot. Ain't nobody got no time. Okay. So now car maintenance is supposed to be $390. So let's count it up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390. Okay. Cool beans. So that's 390. Queen's B-Day is 400. I don't really know if there's much to change out of here. Oh, we can change a $100 bill. Okay. 250s, and that's our last full $100. So now Queen's B-Day is 1, 2, 3, 400. So it looks like we're only gonna be going through this cash envelope to see, but that is 400 back in Queen's B-Day. Exchange out for bigger bills. Let me push these up. Let's go into Family's B-Day. So Family B-Day right now has 436. So let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 354, 420, 430, 435, 436. So there's nothing we can change out of this one to make it like smaller, to get into bigger bills. So we're just gonna put these back in. So these are cool. Now, first month's bill, okay, she hefty. She got $750 in here. So let's see if there's anything you can change out of here, but let's verify first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 556, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750. These odd numbers be getting the girls sometimes, okay? So I can't change out the 100 or the 50s, but I can change out these 20s, which is $100, and I can get me 250s. So I'm gonna put this here and get me 250s. And now I should be at 715 bigger bills. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 556, 657, 750. Bet, cause listen, okay? The bigger the bills, the easier it is, the happier your sis is. Now Christmas only has $85 in there, and I'm pretty sure I can't change out nothing. So 50, 20, 80, 85. Yep, we can't change out nothing for Christmas. So we are gonna put Christmas back. And we're gonna close up our fixed sinking funds situation. Now we gonna move on to our variable sinking fund situation. And what I mean by my variable sinking funds is that these ones, they don't need to be stuffed. This is a luxury to stuff these. It's not a necessity. So because it's not a necessity, I like, to stuff them as needed. But let's verify and see what's in here. So Juneteenth says it has $150. So let's see, that's 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50. So off the rip, we see we can change some coins. So we're gonna put the 50 down, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we're gonna change out these 20s and these 10s, and we're gonna get two $50 bills. And so Juneteenth now will have 50, 100, 150, okay? Cool. So 150 in big bills. Next is special occasions. Let's see what special occasions has. So it has 50, 20, and 40. Ain't really much need to be changing this, so we're gonna put it back. It's okay. So this is $90 in special occasions, so it's all good. Christmas bills only has $8, so it should only have an 8, a 5, and 3 ones, which it does. So this doesn't need any exchange. Thanksgiving only has $10, so it doesn't need to be exchanged. JA Vacation has $171, so let's see. So it has a 50, 20, it has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. So it does have 171. So off the rip, we're gonna put down our $50 bill, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we know we can change out this money, this 20 and these 3 10s, and we can take up a $50 bill. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That will give us another $50 bill. And so 5, 10, 15, 20. We're gonna change these 5s out for a $20 bill. So now JA Vacation has 50, 100, 150, 170, 171 in big bills. We love to see it, okay? Love to see the change and the upgrade, okay? Be Beyonce. Let me upgrade you, okay? Let me upgrade you. Black Friday has 140 in it. Let's see, we got a 50, we got 100, 120, 130, 140. So we can change these 2 10s into a 20. Okay, and now we got big bills. So that's 50, 100, 120, 140. Yes, ma'am. Now, annual subscriptions has $30, which is a 20 and a 10. So won't need to change nothing there. And then we just have our saving challenge next, which I'm not gonna change out because it's specific. And that is it for the sinking funds. So those were my sinking funds exchange. But yeah, guys, that was me breaking up, switching out my bigger bills for my smaller ones in my sinking funds. So yeah, let's count up this money real quick. Make sure it's still $750 because hate to see it if it ain't right, okay? Anybody got no time? So 50, 100, 150, 200, yes ma'am. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 700. Oh, go over now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Boom, bada bang, there we go, okay? Yeah, so that is me switching out my big bills for little big. Big bills for little bills. That was real cute. That was real cute. I enjoyed that. Getting my big bills for, you know, my little bills. And I love to see the growth in my sinking funds. Can you feel it? Can you see it? So yeah, guys, that was my exchange or trading out of my small bills to my big bills and my sinking funds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share the video with a family, friend, or foe. And also, guys, if you do enjoy the content here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, okay? So, again, my name is Anique NK. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.